Welcome to Container Talk, and on today's episode we'll be doing a review on a 8.5 kilo front loader washing machine. Stay tuned. Now the good thing about these washing machines is they have moving location bolts. I don't know if you can see this, guys. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and that holds the drum in place when you're moving it around. It's designed so you can move it around and it doesn't interrupt the drum. Off we go. And as simple as that, guys. Beautiful machine. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Give it a bit of appeal. Now it has appeal.